Hi guys, good morning. We are going to get started today, get back to work. Hopefully you had a lot of time to get made up on anything that you were missing. Today we are going to tackle three things. Number one, you are going to review the comments I made on your rough drafts for your letter to an inspirational teacher. So we're going to start with that. So open up your letters, review those. Our objectives today, we are going to we are going to demonstrate our understanding of business professional writing by finalizing our inspirational letters. Research and understand different cultures by researching a country's culture and creating our tables. And then we are going to begin to define terms for college in Unit 2. So we are kind of finishing up this Unit 1, and we're going to move into Unit 2. All right. So why are we doing this? To help you become a better and more professional writer, to help you see how other cultures are similar and different from ours, and to help you prepare for our next unit about college. So with your letters to an inspirational teacher, review and revise your letter to an inspirational teacher. Make sure you correct any issues that were in the rough draft prior to resubmission. Add pictures if you did not to the first draft, and submit these for final grading and printing. I will be doing those here in the next couple days, so they are ready to be put in envelopes by you guys next week when we are all back in class on Tuesday. So I know you guys are all back with me on Friday. I will not have them printed by then, but Tuesday I will have them printed so we can put them in envelopes and send them to our teachers. Okay? Next, we are going to work on greetings from around the world. So I know some of you have turned them in already. I want you to make sure you take a look. I have not graded them, but make sure you double check and take a look at what you've created. Okay. Make sure you are looking at the greetings, verbal and physical greetings, the business etiquette, dining etiquette, dressing etiquette, table manners, and differences between men, women, and children. Okay, with your table, make sure that it has a title, headings, shading, page border, a graphic flag, and it is balanced on the page. So I'm going to show that to you guys here very quickly, how to do some of these things. Okay, so we're adding a table. So we are going to insert table, and I want it 3 rows down and 5 rows across. I think 5 will go 6. Okay, basic table, perfect. All right, now under my layout feature, I want to merge these cells together because I want that to be my heading. Okay, so this is my greetings from Italy. All right, now with this, again, we want to make sure it looks right. So I am going to put all of this in the middle. All right, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to expand these just a bit. And I'm going to increase my letter size here. Just on this one. All right. Now, let's go back to my PowerPoint. And I've got greetings here. I've got business etiquette. Dining etiquette, dress etiquette, table manners, and men, women, and kids. And I'm going to expand this down because I want this to be big enough to put stuff in. Okay? Now, to add in different things, I want to go to my design tab and I want to add a watermark. Now my watermark is going to be my flag. Okay, so I'm going to go to custom watermarks and I'm going to add a picture, and I'm going to select a picture All right, so now I've got my flag on there, and I can continue to move my graph or my table down if I want to cover my flag. Now, it says in my directions I need to add some shading. So if I want to add some shading, I can do that here. I can also go to the shading feature and add different colors. So that's going to change that to a green. And since Italy is green, red, and white, I'm going to shade these to be those colors. All right. Now the last thing I need to make sure that you know how to do is add a border. All right. So we are going to do design. I want page borders. Page borders. Okay. And you need to make sure you add a page border to your document. Okay, I don't care what the page border looks like, but to follow all the directions, you need to have a border. So we've got our title, we've got our headings, we've done shading, we've got a border, and we've got our flag. Now, as long as you meet all of these requirements and you find the information necessary, then you finished your project. Okay, so double check and make sure if you've not completed it, that you make that happen. If you need to resubmit, please resubmit, okay? And then the final thing that we are going to do today is look at definitions for Unit 2 vocab. It is in Schoology, so these words are going to be words that we are going to use as we talk about college, okay? So we are moving into Unit 2, which deals with college and looking at different colleges, how to pay for college. We'll explore colleges, and that is what we are getting ready to move into. If you have any questions today about the graph or the table or any of those elements, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I will be available for you guys all day, and I look forward to seeing you guys all in class on Friday. All right, have a great day.